Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am doing a Trader Joe's haul today, and this video is in collaboration with Ferguson here on YouTube. I absolutely love her channel. She does lifestyle and beauty videos. She does day in the life videos, tons of mom content with some cooking videos. She just is wonderful. So make sure when you're done watching my haul, you head over to her channel, check out what she got at Trader Joe's, show her some love because I know you guys are absolutely going to love her. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I got at Trader Joe's. Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am doing a Trader Joe's haul today, and as you saw in the intro, this is a collab with Ferguson here on YouTube. So when you're done watching my Trader Joe's haul, you're going to get a double dose. Head over to her channel and check out all the things she got at Trader Joe's. I'm going to link her channel and her video in the description box down below. This haul was $125, and I got a lot of things that I needed, like for small little gifty things, because they had a lot of really great things for the holidays. So I'm going to start on this side today. I grabbed these Trader Joe's Belgian butter almond thins for my mom. This just looked like something she would really like, so I grabbed those for her. She pretty much never goes to Trader Joe's, so I grabbed those as like a treat. I tried these a couple months back, and I loved them. I thought they were a seasonal thing for the fall, but apparently they have them all year. So if you are a fan of maple flavored things, I highly recommend these. I did get 2 boxes. I contemplated getting 3, but I wanted to stay under like $130. So I did grab 2 of them. They're just like a cookie with a maple cream filling. I got some uncured pastrami with no nitrates added, and no nitrates in general for my husband's lunches. I got some raspberries for Grady. I got some zucchini noodles. I do make these at home. I do have a spiraler, and I do these at home sometimes, but sometimes I just like to buy them in the convenience pack. They were like $3.79, I think. But these I like to use for like a side dish and just add meat and different veggies inside. So I grabbed those. I got a big jar of the Trader Joe's marinara, which I love, and it's just easy for recipes. Some black beans, some grilled artichoke halves. I love making pasta salads with these, so I grabbed those for that. I got some tamales, so I got beef tamales, and I also got some chicken and cheese tamales. I thought these would be good for like a quick lunch or even a lunch on the weekend. I grabbed the Trader Joe's nacho cheese tortilla chips, like their version of Doritos, because I've never tried them and I'm curious to see how they taste. Some of the Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette, which I can use for all different dipping sauces for different things. I grabbed these Trader Joe's dark chocolate orange sticks. I love the combination of chocolate with orange. And even though I'm not a big dark chocolate fan, I do like it when it's with like some kind of a fruit. So that's a little treat for Matt and I. I got some of the Campari tomatoes. I love these. They're really great for salads or roasting. I got some coconut cashews. This is one of my favorite things, definitely like in my top 10 all-time favorite Trader Joe's items. They're really, really good. I've tried like off brands of these, but for some reason these are just the best and they're such a treat. I absolutely love them. This I got as a little gift for one of my uncles who loves, again like me, chocolate and orange, so I'll give this to him along with a few other smaller foodie items. I got a bag of jalapenos for recipes, or I can just make stuffed like bacon wrapped jalapenos. I got some sliced mango, which I love eating and giving my husband for lunches. These little truffle boxes were $3.49. They are not huge. They're like 3.5 ounce, and they tell you, like each one tells you what they have in it. But I thought these would be good little gifts I could give to 2 of them. I'm going to give to a couple different neighbors that I know but I don't know well. And it's just a little something that I can give them for Christmas with a card. And then this one I got for a friend of mine that I'm going to gift with other items as well. I also got some of this succotash, which is edamame, corn, and roast and red pepper. So I thought it's a pretty decent bag. I can get like 2 side dishes out of this for dinners. I got 2 bags of the Ercover fresh green beans. These are our absolute favorite green beans. Big, huge bag. So I got 2. I can throw one in the deep freeze and one I can use, and I can get a lot of different dinners out of these using them as sides. I got this jasmine rice. There are 3 separate packets in here. These are just like a microwave steamer bag rice, and I thought it would just be a good option to have on nights when I need white rice for something. And it was a good price as well, and it's nice that there are 3 of them in here. Here is the other bag of the haricots verts, so I got 2 of those. I got some broccoli florets because I'm going to roast those, and I also like throwing fresh broccoli into salads. I also got some cauliflower. Again, I can roast it or steam it. So I like these 2 are some of my favorite veggies to roast and just to have as a side. I got some chopped romaine lettuce. I'm hearing that the romaine recall is over now, so let's hope that's true because I got a big bag of that for salads. I got some yogurt tubes for my son's snack at school. So I got the cherry berry 2 boxes because there's only 8 per box. And I think they come with 4 cherry and 4 berry. I got these chocolate covered pretzel twists. There are 12 in here, and I'm going to give this to one of my son's therapists. I'm just going to wrap it and give her this with a nice card. I think this was like $6.99, but it's a pretty decent sized box, and you do get 12 pretzels. So I thought that would be a nice treat for her. I did get a gallon of the artisan water for my coffee. Matt loves the granola bars from Trader Joe's, so I got the nutty chocolate granola bar and his favorite, the vanilla almond granola bar. This I am really excited about. I've never tried one of these Kringles. I see them all the time there in different flavors. This one is almond, and Kira had told me, I think a few months ago, she got like a fall one. I don't know if it was pumpkin. I think it might have been, but she said it was really good. So I thought I would try one. The cashier that rang me out said these were really, really good. So I love almond, so it's pretty big. So I don't know, I don't really have a concept of what it tastes like, but I keep hearing amazing things, so I'll let you guys know how that is. So I'm excited for that. I also got the low-fat wild berry smoothies because we've never tried the Trader Joe's brand smoothie, and my son likes smoothies, and also I like to give Matt a smoothie in his lunch every once in a while as well. So I think that's everything, guys. Again, this was $125. I'm going to share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week, and make sure you head over to Casey's channel and check out everything she picked up at her Trader Joe's as well. Alright guys, meal plan for the upcoming week. By the way, this is still my same Carrie L meal planner. I just ran out of the normal pages, so I am using all the pages in the back. Since there are all these extra sheets, I still have a bunch to go because I want to utilize every possible square inch of this planner. But yes, just wanted to let you know I still love these. I'm just using up the rest of the pages, and then I'll go ahead and purchase a new one. But I always have a permanent discount code in the description box down below. I'm not sure if they're sold out right now. I know this time of year a lot of people buy these as gifts, but I think next time I'm going to get the mini meal planner so it's a little bit more portable for me. But anyways, this week coming up is the 16th through the 22nd, so it's the week before Christmas, which is crazy to me. One night I'm going to do a whole chicken with some roasted veggies. I'll probably do some roasted broccoli and cauliflower, and then I have some like flaky Pillsbury honey butter rolls that I'll bake off. I'm going to do the zuppa toscana in the crock pot with a salad. I have a whole video on my whole chicken in the crock pot, which I'll link below. I have 2 videos on this Toscana. I have a crock pot version and a stovetop version, and I'll link those below. I'm going to do some shrimp with the zucchini noodles, the zoodles. I have some shrimp that I have to thaw out, and then I'll just saute it up with the zucchini noodles, and then I'll make a salad and bread on the side. I'm going to do my stuffed turkey patties, the ones with feta cheese. I have a video on that, which I'll link below as well. I'm going to do some glazed carrots and then some kind of a rice. One night I'm going to do the poor man stew in the crock pot. I have a video on that, which I'll link below. Matt's birthday is Friday, so we either are going out or getting takeout with friends. I'm not sure which one yet. It kind of depends on the weather, because I believe we're supposed to get a bunch of snow next week. And then of course one night I allotted for leftovers or breakfast. It's kind of like a freebie night. So yeah, that's the meal plan for next week. The following week, which is Christmas, I probably won't do a meal plan only because 3 nights of that week I'm going to be eating with my in-laws, my parents' house. So half the week is just going to be holiday meals, but I will film as much as I can for holiday meal wise, and then I'll include those clips in a upcoming what's for dinner video, which I try to do. I did that for Thanksgiving, and I try to do that like if we have a birthday party or a family party. I try to include footage of food for the what's for dinner clips, because I know you guys like to see that. So yeah, this is for next week. The week after will be, I probably won't share a meal plan again because it's Christmas. I should have a grocery haul next week on Friday as well. I'm not really sure. I don't see why I wouldn't, because we still have to eat. But anyways, guys, have a great weekend. Go check out Casey's video. I'll link it down below. Have a great, safe weekend, and I will see you guys in a new video on Monday.